If you are leading a business in transportation, quarrying, or mineral extraction, this is more than just a video. It's your next big advantage. Don't miss it. Running a business in heavy industry is tough. You deal with tight deadlines, rising maintenance costs, safety demands, and non-stop pressure to stay competitive. Your fleet, whether it's trucks, dumpers, or heavy equipment, is one of your biggest investments. But let's be honest, mud, dust, and grime aren't just domestic issue. They cause faster wear, hide mechanical problem, delay inspection, and hurt your professional image. And fixing those problems later always costs more than preventing them early. What if there was a way to solve all of that simply, efficiently, and affordably? At Go&Go, we understand the daily challenges you face. That's why we designed the all-in-one construction site truck wash station, a real-world solution for real-world businesses. This is not a luxury, it's a tool for protecting your assets and boosting your operational efficiency. Here's how it works. Complete cleaning coverage, high-pressure nozzle clean the wheel, size, fast turnaround. Each vehicle is fully washed in just 2 minutes. No long quest, no waste time. Built for harsh conditions. Stainless steel frames, heavy-duty pumps, and corrosion-proof material ensure your system keep working even in the toughest site. Custom fit to your operation. Whether you're running a quarry, a mine, or a transport hub, we tailor the wash station to your fleet size and workflow. And it's designed for easy installation, minimal downtime, no complicated setup. In short, you get clean vehicle, lower cost, and more professional image without adding to your daily workload. Think about what the means of your business: lower maintenance cost, removing grime reduce rust, mechanical failure, and unnecessary repair, longer equipment life, keeping vehicle clean directly protect your investment and extend service life, stronger brand image, clean, well-maintained trucks send a powerful message to clients, partners, and regulators. Fewer labor hours wasted. Instead of paying team to manually clean trucks for hours, your vehicles get back on the road faster. Better safety compliance. Clean vehicles are easier to inspect, easier to maintain, and safer to operate. In industry where every minute and every machine counts, small improvements stack up to big wins. Imagine saving hours every week. Imagine fewer unexpected breakdowns. Imagine customer noticing and respecting the discipline and professionalism of your operation. Go&Go doesn't just sell machines. We help businesses work smarter, cut costs, and grow stronger. The question is simple. How much longer can you afford to let dirt and delays eat away at your profit? Don't wait until you're forced to fix bigger, costlier problem. Take control now and turn vehicle washing from a burden into a competitive advantage. Contact Go&Go team today for a free consultation. Let's talk about your site, your fleet, and how we can build a solution that fits your goal, not just today, but for years to come. Go&Go, practical solution for a leader who build.